Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will tell you all the cheapest hotels in Delhi. I will tell you the names and prices so you can decide at which one you like best and suitable for your budget. In Delhi, the hotel prices are always changing. That's why in the description, I will give you all the hotel booking link so you can check the price and book a room. If you are looking for cheapest hotels, flights booking, car rental, travel packages and activities, check the link in the description box. So let's get started. OYO 69602. This hotel is near New Delhi railway station. Prices started at 800 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a free Wi-Fi, balcony, local storage, sitting area and many more amenities. Yes Please Guest House. This hotel is near Connaught Palace. Prices started at 900 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a free Wi-Fi, kitchen, local storage, car park and many more amenities. Hotel Star Palace. This hotel is near Paharganj. Prices started at 1000 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a free Wi-Fi, restaurant, local storage, car park and many more amenities. Spot on 78763. This hotel is near Noida. Prices started at 1100 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a kitchen, car park and many more amenities. Hotel Earth. This hotel is near Indira Gandhi International Airport. Prices started at 1200 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a local storage, sitting area, car park and many more amenities. OYO 13658. This hotel is near Indira Gandhi International Airport. Prices started at 1300 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a free Wi-Fi, kitchen, local storage, sitting area, car park and many more amenities. OYO 75125. This hotel is near Greater Noida. Prices started at 1400 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a local storage and many more amenities. OYO 79939. This hotel is near Gurgaon. Prices started at 1500 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. The hotel has a free Wi-Fi, refrigerator, sitting area, car park and many more amenities. Hotel Unistar. This hotel is near Coral Bagh. Prices started at 1600 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. This hotel has a free Wi-Fi, restaurant, fridge, local storage, sitting area, car park and many more amenities. OYO 75351. This hotel is near New Delhi railway station. Prices started at 1800 in Indian rupees. Checkout time is 11 am. This hotel has a free Wi-Fi, local storage and many more amenities. Friends, please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends and relatives. You can also check out my other travel related YouTube channels. Link in the description. See you in my next video. Take care friends.